The University of the South Pacific centers around the region celebrated the annual USB Open Day today. This year's theme, USB Preparing You for Lifelong Success, highlights the exposure and the opportunities provided to USB students to prepare and position them for lifelong success. Niue USB Center opened their doors to the public with a display of what courses are available for capacity building and a foundation for educational success. According to the USB Advisory Council, there is a decline in student numbers at the center. This is something that they are looking to change. The hope is to change the mentality of people to realize that USB qualifications are highly respected and recognized, as well as encouraging capacity building of the public service to upskill themselves by taking courses at the center. Another issue is that in previous years, AusAid funding support was provided for students. That has now been reverted to the Niue Trust Fund. The Council will also be lobbying to government for this to be reinstated. The annual Open Day also coincides with the launching of the 2011 enrollments.